Good afternoon, students. In this lecture we are going to study redox reaction. Weightage of this topic is 3 to 4 marks. Compulsory 3 marks question will be asked, and with option 4 marks question will be asked on this topic. First of all, what is meant by redox? Redox is the abbreviation used for reduction and oxidation. We are familiar with some examples of oxidation in daily life. Why does cut apple turns brown when exposed to air? This is due to oxidation. Why iron undergoes rusting or corrosion? This is also due to oxidation. Some combustion reaction is also oxidation reaction. What is meant by combustion? It is the reaction of oxygen of any substance is called as combustion. This reaction is exothermic, in which oxygen is added. Then some batteries, new batteries become useless after some days. This is due to also oxidation. These are the some examples of oxidation. Then another, you are familiar with a green film form on copper metal is also oxidation. Then loss of luster of silver is also oxidation. Then we are going to discuss concept of oxidation. Classical idea of concept of oxidation. What is meant by oxidation? Addition of oxygen, combination of oxygen with any element or any substance is called as oxidation. For example, carbon plus oxygen to form CO2 gas. In this reaction, oxygen is added to carbon, therefore it is oxidation reaction. Then first definition of oxidation is combination of any element or substance with oxygen is called as oxidation. Carbon when react with oxygen to form carbon dioxide, it is called as oxidation. Then second example, magnesium when react with oxygen to form magnesium oxide, it is also oxidation. Here also magnesium is react with oxygen, therefore it is also oxidation. Then another example, another definition of oxidation is combination of any element with electronegative element, it is also called as oxidation. For example, third example, magnesium when react with electronegative fluorine. Magnesium is reacted with most electronegative element in the periodic table, that is fluorine, to form magnesium fluoride. Magnesium fluoride, it is also oxidation. What is the difference between first two example and third example? In first two example there is addition of oxygen only, that is called as oxidation. But in third reaction there is no addition of oxygen, but here magnesium is reacted with electronegative element, that is fluorine, to form magnesium chloride, it is also oxidation. Then second definition for oxidation is combination of any element or substance with electronegative element, it is also called as oxidation. Then third concept, sodium. What is the atomic number of sodium? Is 11. Its electronic configuration 281. That means 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s1. This is the electronic configuration of sodium. Sodium has 11 electron, and in a last cell it has only 1 electron, and sodium is electropositive element, therefore it has tendency to donate electron present in outermost shell. By loss of this electron to form sodium plus 1 electron. Here sodium in neutral state lost 1 electron to form Na plus ion, that is sodium ion. This is called also oxidation. Then second example, magnesium solid. If it is lost 2 electron to form magnesium plus 2, this is also oxidation. And third example, aluminium to form Al plus 3 electron. This is also oxidation. Then from these 3 examples we can define oxidation. Oxidation is called as, in this reaction sodium lost 1 electron to form Na plus ion. In second, magnesium lost 2 electron to form Mg2 plus ion, and in third reaction aluminum lost 3 electron to form Al plus 3 ion. Therefore these 3 species, that is sodium, magnesium and aluminum, lost 1, 2, 3 electrons respectively. Therefore we can define oxidation in such a way that oxidation is also defined as, it is the loss of 1 or more electron by any species is called as oxidation. Loss of 1 or more electron by any species is also called as oxidation. These are the 3 different definitions of oxidation. Then one more definition of oxidation is there, fourth definition. Here charge on sodium is 0. Charge on sodium is 0. In this case plus 1. Here oxidation state of sodium changes from 0 to plus 1. In second example, charge on magnesium is 0 and Mg plus 2 having plus 2 charge, that is oxidation state of magnesium changes from 0 to plus 2. In third example, aluminum also having 0 charge and aluminum plus 3 having plus 3 charge, that is oxidation state of aluminum changes from 0 to plus 3. In these 3 examples, oxidation state of sodium changes from 0 to plus 1, oxidation state of magnesium changes from 0 to plus 2, and oxidation state of aluminum changes from 0 to plus 3. That means here increase in oxidation number takes place. Therefore fourth definition, we can also define oxidation as, oxidation is defined as increase in oxidation number is also called as oxidation, and this definition is very important for us for next point. What are the definitions of oxidation? First one is combination of any element or substance with oxygen is called as oxidation. Second one is combination of any element with electronegative element called as oxidation. Third definition of oxidation is loss of 1 or more electron by any species is called as oxidation. And fourth definition, increase in oxidation number is also called as oxidation. Then another example, copper plus 1 by loss of 1 electron to form copper plus 2. In this example also, here oxidation number of copper is plus 1 and here oxidation number of copper is plus 2. Oxidation number of copper changes from plus 1 to plus 2. That means here also increase in oxidation number takes place. Therefore, this reaction is also oxidation reaction. This is the concept of oxidation. Then concept of reduction. Concept of reduction. Exactly opposite to oxidation. Here addition of oxygen called as oxidation, and here addition of hydrogen is called as reduction, or removal of oxygen is called as reduction. For example, we know that for alkene, for example, you are familiar with ethene. This is the example of ethene. If we add hydrogen in presence of nickel, or hydrogen in presence of platinum, or hydrogen in presence of palladium, here hydrogen are added across the double bond to form ethane, CH3, ethane. In this example, addition of 2 hydrogen across the double bond takes place, therefore it is reduction reaction. Then next example, if copper plus 2 ion in aqueous state accept 2 electron to form copper in solid state, then Fe plus 3 plus 1 electron to form Fe plus 2 in aqueous state, then zinc plus 2 aqueous state accept 2 electron to form zinc in solid state. In these 3 examples, 2 electrons are added or 2 electrons are accepted by copper plus 2 ions to form copper, neutral copper. In second example, iron plus 3 ion accept 1 electron to form iron plus 2 ion. In third example, zinc plus 2 ion accept 2 electron to form neutral zinc. In all these 3 examples, 2 electrons are accepted, 1 electron is accepted, and 2 electrons are accepted by zinc plus 2 ion. Therefore, we can define reduction. Reduction is defined as it is the gain of 1 or more electron by any species is called as reduction. Then another definition of reduction is in terms of oxidation number. Here copper plus 2 has plus 2 oxidation state, and copper in solid state having 0 oxidation state. That is, copper plus 2 changes oxidation state from plus 2 to 0. In second example, oxidation state of iron is plus 3 and oxidation state of iron plus 2 is plus 2. That is, oxidation state changes from plus 3 to plus 2. In third example, zinc plus 2 having plus 2 oxidation state, zinc having 0 oxidation state. That is, oxidation number of zinc plus 2 changes from plus 2 to 0. In these 3 examples, oxidation number changes from +2 to 0, +3 to +2, +2 to 0. That means oxidation state decreases. The next definition for reduction is decrease in oxidation number is also called as reduction. Decrease in oxidation number is also called as reduction. These are the concept of oxidation and reduction. Key points for oxidation. Oxidation is defined as combination of any element with oxygen. Second definition, oxidation is also defined as combination of any element with electronegative element. Third definition, oxidation is defined as loss of one or more electrons by any species is called as oxidation. And the last definition for oxidation is increase in oxidation number of any species is also called as oxidation. Similarly reduction is defined as combination of any element with hydrogen, or addition of hydrogen is also called as oxidation reduction, or removal of oxygen is also called as reduction. Then reduction is also defined as gain of one or more electron by any species is called as reduction. And next, decrease in oxidation number of any species is also called as reduction. Then what is meant by redox reaction? Next is what is meant by redox reaction? We know that redox is the abbreviations used for reduction and oxidation. For example, I write here one example of redox reaction, that is the cell reaction in Daniell cell. Copper +2 plus zinc, it gives zinc +2 and copper solid. This reaction is a redox reaction. First of all, what is meant by redox reaction? It is the reaction in which both oxidation reaction and reduction reaction takes place simultaneously. That reaction is called as redox reaction. Here, one example of cell reaction in a Daniell cell. How will you determine this reaction is redox reaction? First of all, oxidation state of all species. Here, copper +2 having oxidation number +2, zinc 0, zinc +2 and copper 0. In this example, which species? We know that what is meant by oxidation in terms of oxidation number. Increase in oxidation number is called as oxidation. In this case, which species having increase in oxidation number? Here, copper +2 having oxidation number +2 and here 0. Therefore, here oxidation number of copper +2 decreases, that is +2 to 0. But zinc having 0 oxidation state, and in zinc +2 oxidation state. That is, zinc undergoes oxidation by loss of 2 electrons. Oxidation state of zinc is 0 and in product side oxidation state of zinc +2 is +2. That means increase in oxidation number from 0 to +2. Therefore, zinc undergoes oxidation to form zinc +2 ion by loss of 2 electron. Therefore, we can write separately here oxidation reaction. Zinc loss 2 electron to form zinc +2 ion. This is oxidation reaction. Electrons lost by zinc are accepted by another species. Here copper plus 2 oxidation state, it changes to 0. That means oxidation number of copper plus 2 changes from plus 2 to 0. That means decreases. That means copper plus 2 undergoes reduction by accepting 2 electrons which are lost by zinc metal. Therefore, copper plus 2 accept 2 electrons which are lost by zinc metal to form copper in solid state. This is reduction reaction. If we add these two reactions, that means we can say that in this reaction, oxidation reaction and reduction reaction takes place simultaneously. Therefore, this is the example of redox reaction. Here, 2 electrons lost by zinc metal which are accepted by copper plus 2 ions. Therefore, total effect of electron is neutralized. Therefore, these electrons are get cancelled and remaining is zinc solid, copper plus 2 aqueous to form zinc plus 2 aqueous plus copper in solid state, and this reaction is called as redox reaction. Redox reaction. And there are different redox reaction we will discuss in a next lecture. And another point from this topic is how to calculate oxidation number, how to balance redox reaction. We will discuss in next lecture.